left side. And that 619, he slings it up there in turn one. Top side of two, slides up a little bit. Here comes the old Richard Crow car down the backstretch. That 69X is on a rail, and it ain't even a first lap yet. Keep it on. Does not sound good exiting out of turn four. That baby don't sound good unless he let way off of the gas pedal. Oh, it down airs us off the thing down the backstretch. Lost the position out of that one to the number 37. Salina Speedway tonight. Down here at the flag stand already. This early on. Richard Crow, he leads the points out here tonight. Starting that back there at P9.
I seen the fourth hair.
Oh yeah?
I seen her hair. What's next?
Down the backstretch.
IMCA pace truck pulling off the track. Going to be looking for the Godfrey's indoor shooting range green flag to get the Bird Contracting Sports Compacts A feature of the night underway. Looking at Mr. Sims. There's the Godfrey's green flag.
And here, Bird Contracting IMCA Sport Compacts A feature NCRA night, September 1st, 2017. Allison Bird down the backstretch. She got lifted up last time out here by the 69X of Richard Crow out of 4. He didn't mean to get into her, but he put a little back in here. Caution flag.
All of them vying to get to the Wilson firearm finish line. Meet up with Sean over at the O'Reilly's Auto Parts Victory Lane. And then the Godfrey's green flag. Allison Bird back up on top. And Richard Crow moving from the middle up to number 3 spot. Right behind the 619 of Dallas Ayers.
Here comes Amber Birds heading P4, McBride in 5th. Richard Crow right there at P3. He's heading to move, ladies and gentlemen. I told you that 69X
down, causing Allison Bird to go Three wide.
You won't beat him.
And an air.
Richard Crow down the backstretch. A little bit, you're right. Richard Crow out of turn two. He's got Amberberg right behind him in the one. Dale Ayers Force shakes to the top side out of turn two. Trying to reel in the 69, eh?
She's gonna try to burn it again. Right on the floor.
Amberberg looking to the inside of Richard Crow is exiting the She looks down there, bottom side, out of two. Down the back stretch to the three. Five to go, ladies and gentlemen. Amberberg, she's looking down there.
Not able to get around, but
lap track again. Davis down on the bottom side.
Davis, putting Davis between him and Bird. Now Amberberg can have the 69.
And two to go this time by, ladies and gentlemen. Richard Crow and Amberberg now takes it around the outside of turn two. She won't have enough time tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Out front, your 69X, unless something terrible happens. Richard Crow should pick up something. Down the back stretch all along, ladies and gentlemen. We give him a shout out. Headed to Boone, Iowa to the Supernational. The 69X Richard Crow. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, Richard Crow.
You know it, he will go in front.
Points leader half the season, just hadn't been able to do it. Now, how far away do you come for racing? I come from Grand Island, Nebraska. It's about 3.5 hours.
3.5 hours each and every week to come down and have fun with us at Salina Speedway.
Yep, it's a good track. I love racing here.
Hey, who do we want to thank for the way things went tonight, sir?
Darren and Kelly Lucas, my mom, family, my wife for putting up with me, coming out week in and week out. That's about it.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up.
Woo! Taking the black flag on the last visit in this heat race. Picking up the feature win tonight in your Salina Speedway O'Reilly's Auto Parts Victory Lane. Richard Crow, huge shout out. He's headed to Boone, Iowa, ladies and gentlemen, for your Super Nationals.